Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 5:20 p.m. Thank you for your patience on the afternoon video here. It's March 25th, looking at the S&P 500, and I love it when the market internals tell me what to watch out for. Big run up today into the 118 mark with divergent market internals along with the VIX rising just a little bit. Could have gone higher, but we already knew that we were in for some kind of consolidation. Even put in a bit of an ascending triangle through here. You can see these highs and lows, but when it finally ultimately broke down, it broke pretty hard right away. Right back down to the rising 200 MA, just a little 3-minute chart, and this 117.40 mark that we had marked in from before, and a beautiful resistance support line, and that also ended up failing. So Greece and the rest of Europe worrying a little bit about some debt, and it looks like the markets are quote-unquote heading south on that news. So 116.50, very good touch here. These are lines that I would have drawn in on your charts. 116.84, and of course 117, but a fairly significant lower swing high now on a pretty good sized volume. Those are some good prints there I'm watching. If I look at a higher time frame, a 60-minute chart, it was still within the consolidation area up here between 116 and 118. I'll be watching for that. So this is still a blip in the market, not confirmed by huge data. It's nothing like this over in here, but an eye-catching feature as we did produce a lower swing high. So again, I'll be looking for the markets to hold up in this area, put in a few more days of a consolidation before I get super aggressive about going long into overhead resistance after a run-up like this. So good stuff. It corroborates what we've talked about over the last few days. The VIX, if I look at that, and we'll see how it closed, rose sharply after that higher swing low intraday. We were talking at lunchtime, around 1 o'clock, about this higher swing low, and it really did end up going through the roof here, confirming that sell-off. The trend, which had been rising all day into the 0.8 level, went to 1.0, so still in the consolidation range, even during the sell-off, and the trend Q, which again had been around 0.5, really spiked up even one blip up past the 1.2 mark. So at least good to note that. It's not an absolute disaster, but the VIX, on the other hand, is definitely a crack. Zoom out time frames, and we're back up in this 1850/19 area. And that is a definite higher swing low through here on any time frame. So watch out for that, and we'll see if this volatility bleeds back out or heads up into the 20 mark. So good stuff, everybody. That's what I'm looking for. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow morning and see how things are going overnight.